Saurabh Saxena from Micro Focus. In the past year and a half, we've seen how the pandemic has completely transformed the business landscape across organizations without exception. Every business has had to go through a cycle that started with ensuring business continuity and addressing an unprecedented remote workforce, then moving through a journey of economic recession and cost cutting and building business resilience in these organizations. And hopefully now we're looking at a business rebound coupled with a hybrid workforce. In our interactions with our customers, we've realized that businesses are now looking at being more cloud native. They're more open to adopt emerging technologies like AI, ML, leverage analytics, enable automation across board, and create an omni-channel environment for their customers. What was supposed to take years initially is now occurring over a few quarters in the form of an unprecedented, accelerated digital transformation effort to deliver business value. However, the customers have also realized that while they're undergoing this digital shift, there seems to be a perceptible technological gap in their underlying IT framework, and realize that they need to address this immediately. In fact, in our engagement with the customers, they've expressed a genuine need to be able to run, transform, and adapt at the same time with agility. At Micro Focus, our efforts are accordingly aligned to deliver solutions focused on high-tech and low drama that help our customers deliver IT flexibility, adaptability, and agility to address the rapidly changing external ecosystem. We are now empowering our customers to transform the digital journey through 4 key areas: simplifying IT transformation through hybrid IT, accelerating application delivery, predictive analytics, and building cyber resilience, which to me today is very relevant given the fact that the IT surface that every organization offers has expanded, and hence they're becoming vulnerable to threats more than what they were earlier. In India, we have seen massive interaction with our customers around our 4 focus areas across segments, be it BFSI, IT, ITES, or government and public sector, and realize that they need to address this immediately. Micro Focus is also a channel-focused enterprise, and we are constantly working at evolving and empowering our channel so that they are able to address our customers' needs of today. In the next year, I am excited to continue building Micro Focus as one of the largest and trustworthy pure-play software enterprise company in the country, whose main endeavor is to support our customers to succeed in today's rapidly evolving digital marketplace. Thank you, take care, and be safe.